Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jose Kiangani and once again, welcome back to my 90 days video challenge, episode 11, okay? Hey, listen guys, today it's my 11th day of my 90 days video challenge and which means that you and I have been together for 11 days. Alright, so I don't know if this is the first video of me you are watching right now or if you've been following me since the beginning, but anyway, I wanted just to thank you, alright, for your support and for your encouragement. Okay, so today I have all the few tips that I would like to share with you, because if you like me, when I got started online a few times ago, I used to make a lot of mistakes. Okay, and those mistakes, believe it or not, were just killing my productivity, and maybe that's your case too. All right, maybe you are working online and you are working hard, but despite of all your efforts, you are not getting the result that you want. Okay, why? Maybe it's because you make one or more of these mistakes. All right, so let's get started with today's topic. What I want to share with you today is the 5 mistakes you make that kill your productivity. Okay, and among those mistakes, point number 1 is that you spend too much time learning. All right, you spend too much time learning. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with learning. All right, there's nothing bad. I'm not telling that you don't have to learn, but the problem is that many people spend so much time learning then they never take action. All right, they want to learn everything, and the more they learn, okay, the more they feel that like they are not ready yet. Okay, and if you have this kind of mindset, chances are you never take action. Okay, because you never finish, you never end learning. You want to learn all the time, and things don't have to be this way. Okay, let's see now point number 2. You never implement what you learn. Okay, this point goes together with point number 1. On the one hand, you learn too much. On the other, you don't put into action what you learn. So tell me, what's the point of learning? Okay, so if you want to get results in your life and in your business, my recommendation for you is that you have to move like side by side. Okay, you learn and you implement, you learn and you implement. Okay, but don't waste all your time learning. All right, don't waste all the time. Okay, so let's now move on to point number 3. Okay, you spend too much time getting ready. That's a big problem too, and that's a big mistake as well. Okay, many people never take action because they always feel, okay, like they are not ready. I don't know if that's your case, but if that's your case, you have to change your mindset and your methods. Okay, because if you want everything to be perfect before you can move from point A to point B, chances are you will always stay in point A. Okay, because things are not perfect and things will never be perfect. All right, so instead of you waiting things to be perfect, what I suggest you is once again to move and go forward just as you are. Okay, with your skills, with your strengths, and with your weaknesses. All right, and the more you will be moving, all right, the more you will be getting experience. Okay, and since you will be getting experience, you will be able to make corrections along the way. All right, so don't stay at what you are at right now. Instead, move. All right, don't wait everything to be perfect before you can go. All right, let's now see point number 4. You buy new products after new products. That's a big problem, guys. If you are someone like me, you may be receiving in your inbox tons of emails from all those gurus who just want you to click on the links and go check the products. All right, once again, there's nothing wrong with buying new products, but don't be like those people who suffer from what we call the shining object syndrome. Okay, they always want to get the next new thing, hoping that this time it's going to change their life. Okay, don't be like them. Okay, if you buy a product, and if that product promises you that in a certain amount of time you are going to get a certain amount of results, okay, follow the instruction to the T, okay, until you get the results that you were after. All right, so let's now see the last point, which is point number 5. And the point number 5 says that you are afraid of taking risks. Okay, so if you want to get results, you have to try. And if you try, you can either succeed or fail. All right, but how can you know if you will fail or if you will succeed if you never take action and if you're afraid of taking risks? Okay, so if you want to get results, there are some mechanism that you have to implement and start using starting today, all right, to change your mindset, okay, and adopt new method of working. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you today, guys, and I hope that this resonates with you, and hope to see you in my next video, and I hope that you're going to implement what I just discussed with you, because I've been there, okay, and I know what I'm talking about because I made the same mistakes. All right, and today, I'm making videos, which means that I have changed, okay, my way of doing things, and just because of that, today I'm getting results. All right, okay, guys, so hope to see you in my next video, and if you like what I've just shared with you, what I would like you to do for me is to leave me your feedback below, and kind of just leave me your comment, and if you want to connect with me, I will be glad to reach you out. Okay, so talk to you soon, and until then, take care. Bye bye now. Jose here, talking to live from Paris, France. Take care. Bye bye.